Hey folks, welcome back to Real Estate Investing Unmasked. Today, we're learning how to move. So I just closed escrow on a new home in a city that's about 150 miles away. So we've got to move, and we've got to move in a big truck because I got a family of 7. We're a big family. Now, behind me, you can see that I've got a lot of my stuff. Now, in the garage, I have packed a ton of boxes. Now, these boxes, I bought almost all of them exclusively at Lowe's, as you can see. Now, I do have some boxes that are a little different, some that are small, but for the most part, they're all from Lowe's. And the good thing about getting boxes from pretty much the same location is that they're easy to stack. They all are practically the same size. Now I do have the small, the medium, and the large. I did get all 3 sizes of those. But I wanted to point something else out to you. So here, let me show you. Let me show you real quick. All right, so the box is labeled like this one. You see it says family 4 and it's heavy. Down there is family 3 and it's heavy. Down here we got master 28. Right, so the whole point is to get some boxes and label them. There you go. So here's my daughter with number 4 for her. I got my family room 38 or number 30. You see, so the point is to label your boxes in a way that when you get to your new place, that the people that are helping you unload, that you'll know exactly what room to go into, and you keep a log, a little notebook of everything you have. So for instance, family 1, family 30, whatever, you write down whatever's going inside that box. So it'd be like family 3, I put my tennis shoes in, or family 7, I put in my books. Maybe for my room, I put Bob 2, and that's where I put my suits and my ties or whatever. Hey, honey, could you check the list and see what box my socks are in?
That'll be at Master 25.
Okay, cool, thanks. I'll have to look for that one. The whole point is when you're moving, it makes it really easy if you put on the outside of the box what room it's going into. I know a lot of people typically put what's inside the box on the box, and I personally don't like doing that because I don't really want the people that are helping me to know what's inside the box. And there's a little bit of a trust issue. But for me, if I know what's on my inventory list, then it's very easy for me when I move in to go look for that box. And my wife and I have moved a dozen times, so we've kind of perfected this a little bit. Right now, I've got all the stuff in here behind me ready so that when the moving truck comes tomorrow, that we'll be able to just take everything and load it on very easily and very quickly. And again, I'm gonna have people help me load it on tomorrow. So I have help here and I have help on the other end. People to help me load it on, people to help me take it off. But again, the important thing is to have the boxes labeled in such a way that the new people, the people in the new house, will know what room it goes into, which also helps to have sheets of paper that show this is the room, right? To label the rooms. This is the kids' room, or this is the girls' room, or this is usually people know where the master bedroom is, or the head of household room. The primary room, I think they're starting to call it now instead of master bedroom. So it's important that you know where the family room, where the kitchen, all those things are, because typically your first day in your house, when you're looking for your kitchen goods, you're not going to find what you need unless you open everything, and then it's just a mess. Whereas if you know which box to open first, it says K1 or F1 for family room and K is for kitchen, then you know you don't have to label your boxes a whole lot, and you can take what you need, pull it out, put it away, and then make do with what you got until you're ready to open everything else. So hopefully this has been a good tip for you. As far as the boxes, I enjoy getting my boxes at Lowe's, but that's because I buy almost everything at Lowe's. But some of your cheaper boxes, you can find them on OfferUp, you can find them on Craigslist, you can find them on all kinds of places where people get rid of their secondhand stuff, like Let It Go. But if you want to go brand new, like I did, Lowe's is good. U-Haul, the U-Haul and other moving companies usually will have some kind of boxes that actually are pretty cheap per box. Now, I bought my first set of boxes online. They were more like this, where there's no label or anything on it, like the Lowe's name on it everywhere. The issue I had with that is you got to pay shipping, and by the time you pay shipping, you might as well have just bought it at the U-Haul or Lowe's or Home Depot. So if you have any questions, or if you have any great tips for when you're moving, what to do to help make everything a smooth move, put it down in the comments down below, because I'm sure there's something that you've learned that I probably don't know and maybe I haven't shared. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time, guys. Hey, honey, what socks?
What socks are my box?
What socks are my box in, honey?